Hello, I'm Dr. Karim Kurji, Medical Officer of Health for York Region. We are seeing a resurgence of COVID-19 cases in our community, with case counts in recent days similar to those we were experiencing at the peak of the first wave of the pandemic. We are expecting this increase will continue into the fall and want to remind residents throughout York Region that while many activities are reopening, COVID-19 is not done with us. Some of the characteristics of this recent increase include cases in each of our 9 municipalities over the past week, seeing children, youth, and young adults being disproportionately impacted, with 53% of cases in the past week being under the age of 29. Majority of these cases are in unvaccinated individuals. 44 of our 238 cases were among children younger than 12 who were not yet eligible to be vaccinated, many of whom were household contacts of unvaccinated adults. Unvaccinated young people in their 40s are now being admitted to our ICUs. We cannot stress enough how important it is to get vaccinated. The COVID-19 vaccines not only protect you from getting seriously ill, but also helps prevent people around you from getting sick too. We must think of each other and our community as a whole, including those who can't yet get vaccinated, like our children, to get through this. Please do your part and get vaccinated as soon as possible. There are ample opportunities for our residents to seek out vaccination sites and get fully vaccinated. I thank everyone who has been fully vaccinated so far. In just 6 short months, York Region has made incredible progress in administering COVID-19 vaccinations. Today, I'm proud to say more than 81% of York Region's residents aged 12 and older have received their first dose vaccination, and 73% are fully vaccinated. Back to school is top of mind for many students and parents in our region. We welcome the health, safety, and operational guidance for the 2021 and 2022 school year recently released by the Government of Ontario. Schools will open for in-person learning with health and safety measures in place. Some of these measures include updated daily screening, requiring students in grade 1 to 12 to wear a properly fitted non-medical or cloth mask indoors and in school vehicles, with exceptions, practicing good hand hygiene and physical distancing. Parents are encouraged to review these practices with their children prior to returning to school. Many child-friendly resources can be found on our website, york.ca/safe@school. The guidance also permits the use of gymnasiums, physical education equipment, cafeterias, and libraries, and allows for the resumption of field trips, extracurricular activities, high and low contact activities, clubs, sports teams, and music programs, as long as public health guidance and direction is followed. I joined Ontario Education Minister Stephen Lecce as he announced additional funding to further improve ventilation in schools through mechanical ventilation improvements and ensuring all occupied classrooms, gyms, libraries, and other instructional spaces without mechanical ventilation have standalone high-efficiency particulate air or HEPA filter units in place when students return. Guidance specifically relating to outbreak management is still being finalized and is expected to be provided in the coming weeks. However, parents and students can be proactive to ensure the return to school is as safe as possible. The most important thing parents can do is to get vaccinated and to ensure that children ages 12 to 17 are fully vaccinated. For youths aged 12 to 17 to be fully vaccinated by the first day of school, they need to receive their second COVID-19 vaccine dose at least 14 days before school resumes. York Region Public Health continues to explore opportunities to host smaller mobile and pop-up clinics to more effectively reach those individuals who have faced barriers in accessing vaccinations or who have not yet been vaccinated. This approach allows public health to offer clinics in even more convenient locations. For example, our most recent mall pop-up clinic was held at Upper Canada Mall in Newmarket, and an indoor pop-up clinic was held at Bill Crothers Secondary School in Markham for staff, students, and family members. Information about upcoming mobile and pop-up vaccination clinics can be found at york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine. Again, I would like to stress, while vaccine rates continue to rise, there remains a proportion of the population who remain partially vaccinated or unvaccinated. The percentage of unvaccinated cases among our eligible age 12 plus population is now available on the interactive dashboard found at york.ca/COVID-19 data under the total cases reported in last 7 days field. This data shows vaccines continue to be our best defense against COVID-19 and at keeping ourselves, loved ones, workplaces, and our communities safe. With increased gathering limits and indoor activities permitted under Step 3 of the roadmap to reopen, we know COVID-19, especially the Delta variant, can spread quickly amongst groups. Residents are reminded it is important to continue wearing a mask, physically distance from others, and follow current public health measures, even if you are fully vaccinated. Stay safe, stay informed, stay vigilant, and please get vaccinated. Thank you.